Who is known as the Chief Architect of the Constitution of India? B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the last Governor General of India? C. Rajagopalachari. When was the Nepali language included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? 1992. Money bill is defined in which article of the Indian Constitution? Article 110. Who was the first woman governor in India? Sarojini Naidu. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state in India? Governor of the state. What is the term of office of the Governor of a state? 5 years. When was the national flag of India adopted in its present form by the Constituent Assembly? 22 July 1947. How many fundamental rights are there in the Constitution of India? 6. Which article of the Constitution of India provides the right to life? Article 21. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India and other election commissioners? President. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mavalangar. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? President. Which part of the Indian Constitution consists of articles on official languages in India? Part 17. A law made by the President in the exercise of the powers vested in him under Article 123 of the Constitution is called Ordinance. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution? Right to property. Who was the inaugural holder of the First Gentleman of India? Devi Singh Ran Singh Shekhawat. Which one of the following high courts was not established in 2000? Sikkim High Court. Who is the head of the Union Council of Ministers? Prime Minister. Which Vice President of India died in office? Krishan Khan. The legal advisor to a state government of India is known as Advocate General. How many members can be nominated by the President to the Lok Sabha? 2. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constituent Assembly? B.R. Ambedkar. When was the Union Ministry of Panchayati Raj created? 2004.